Hello guys, my name is Abhinaya. I'm pursuing BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering. So this is my TCS Ninja interview experience, which went off well for 30 minutes. The platform was Microsoft Teams, and there were 3 interviewers. The first interviewer, that is the HR, asked me to show my Aadhaar card in front of the webcam and also asked me to share my screen to show my 10th standard and 12th standard mark sheet and also the latest semester mark sheet. He told me to introduce myself and he was satisfied with my answer, so he said that it's great and interesting to hear. Then the second interviewer, that is the technical interviewer, he asked me which trending technology I am well versed with, and I answered machine learning. So he asked me what is machine learning. I answered it, and what are the 3 types of machine learning. After that, what is IP address and MAC address. So I told the answer and he was quite impressed because I gave a perfect explanation of how it works. And he asked, can your neighbor have the same IP address of their device as yours? Can the MAC address be the same for some devices? And then, what are the programming languages that you have studied till now? I answered, I know the basics of C, C++ and Python. Then he asked me, what is Python? And then, C++ or Python, which is preferred in most of the companies? What are the data types of Python? So from my answer, he asked me, what does list and tuple mean? What does dictionary mean? Is Python case sensitive? What is encapsulation? What are classes and objects? And then, what is storage class and its types? And finally, he appreciated me because I answered all his questions very confidently. And he said that it's good to see you having some basic knowledge in various domains. I thanked him and he wished me best of luck. Then came the third interviewer, MR. He asked me, in your opinion, what is the toughest program you have come across? So I answered sorting because I'm an easy student. He asked me to tell the logic of merge sort orally. I asked him whether I can write it or share the screen and type it, because I am not good at just orally saying the logic, but I can try something when I take a pen or have a keyboard to type it, but he refused. But I tried the logic of sorting, and he said that you are not interested in coding, so that's why you are not interested in telling the logic orally. But I said, no sir, I have interest. And then again came the HR and he asked about relocation and night shifts and asked me whether I had any questions, and finally they advised me to brush up on the coding skill because I have the basic concepts very clear, but I'm not very good at coding. So they wished me best of luck for the upcoming interview. Thank you.